everyone. So since my daughter's husband completely recovered and now it's my summer vacation, decided to do my video today, Monday. I put this with this, like I said, they said it's rose gold, but it just looks like a beige to me. Put this on my lids. I'm going to do this again without that copper color, with just the transition color. And I'm going to use my Milani and my rose quartz from Black Radiance with the glitter. So let's start with that the nice rose gold color. How pretty that is. Gotta be careful with that eyeshadow. It just, like, it breaks up in the pan. Alright. How pretty that is. It's so pretty. And like I said, I'm not using that copper. I'm gonna use this transition color instead. That rose gold really stands out. Then I'm gonna use that. This is like a white rose gold. And you can tell that is definitely like a lighter rose gold color than the lid color. And I'm actually gonna go into the crease with it just to soften that transition color. And then of course go back in with the transition color without putting any more product on, just trying to define the eye better. I'm going to use the copper underneath, so I'm going to go ahead and use this color underneath. I dipped it into the copper. Let's try this Milani. You can see the pink go through in this Milani liquid eye color of rose gold. That is pretty. And like a lot comes out in the first application, a lot. Maybe because the applicator is bigger. I believe this one's called Luster. And I'm just gonna finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone! So, this is not the finished look. I just wanted to show you that I think it's called Luminous Light. And it's real pretty. It's just like the ones that, you know, like from the Gothic Graphic and then my Midnight Mermaid. But a little bit more intense. Like you don't need two coats. You know, it's very pretty, very glittery, very nice rose gold color. I put the rose gold on the inner corners and I outlined my lips. Okay, let's see how this goes. Oh, and on my eyes, I added Black Panther to deepen that crease and give it more, you know, dimension. The brown alone of the transition color, I think the shimmer was just too overpowering for it. So I did have to add black.